Good morning students, a warm welcome to this video class. In the previous video I have given you a small exercise to change the sentences into indirect speech, from the direct speech to indirect speech. Hope you all have tried to change it, and I have also informed you that I am going to discuss the answers for that questions in the next video. Sorry for the delay video. Okay, now let us discuss the answers. See here now. The first question what I have given is, see, the stranger said to me, okay, I want to go to the bus stop. To go to the bus stop. Yes, see here students, here the stranger said to me, I want to go to the bus stop. So read the question thoroughly. Okay, here you have two parts, that is reporting part and the reported part. Here you got said to in the reporting part. So if you get said to in the reporting part, it changes to told, and you have got reported verb want. It is in simple present tense. Reported verb is in simple present tense and the reporting verb is in the simple past tense. Now how you are going to change it? See, the stranger said to changes to told. Reporting verb said to changes to told. Reporting verb said to changes to told. Me, and you join the reporting part and the reported part with the conjunction that. I changes, first person pronoun changes according to the subject of the reporting part. So you will get he or she. Stranger may be he or she. Okay, next, want is simple present tense. Reported verb is in simple present tense and reporting verb is in simple past tense. So here simple present tense changes to simple past tense. So what you will get here? Wanted to go to the bus stop. Okay, now let us do the next one. Okay, see here, second one. What is the second question? See, the farmer said, I have killed a snake. The farmer said, I have killed a snake. Here also you have two parts, reporting part and the reported part. Reporting verb is in simple past tense. Reported verb is in the present perfect tense. Reporting verb is in the simple past tense. Reported verb is in the present perfect tense. And here you have got the first person pronoun. Now how you are going to change it? Reporting part and the reported part you are going to join with the conjunction that. See here. The farmer said that. I changes according to the subject of the reporting part. So you will get he, and present perfect changes to past perfect because reporting verb is in the simple past tense. So present perfect changes to past perfect. What you will get here? Had killed a snake. Had killed a snake. Okay, so what you will get here? See, the farmer said that he had killed a snake. Is it clear for you? Now shall we do the next questions? See the third one here. See, the teacher said, okay, I will teach a new lesson tomorrow. I will teach a new lesson tomorrow. Now how you are going to change it? See here, the teacher said, I will teach a new lesson tomorrow. So here you have two parts, reporting part and the reported part. Observe, reporting verb, it is in the past tense. Reported verb, in the reported part what you got here? Reporting verb, modal auxiliary will. Now remember that rule. See here, the teacher, you join the reporting part and the reported part with the conjunction that. Said that, okay. I changes, first person pronoun changes according to the subject of the reporting part. So you will get he or she again here. Okay, because teacher may be a lady teacher or gent teacher. Will changes to would because you got here reporting verb as the simple past tense. So will changes to would. Would, okay. teach a new lesson And if you observe here, when I told to about the change in the time and place, I have told you that tomorrow changes to the next day or the following day. So what you'll get here? The next day or the following day. Any one you can write, okay? You can write any one. Don't write both. You can write any one. If you want to write the next day, you write the next day. Otherwise, you write the following day. Any one you can write, okay? Next, fourth one, see. What is the fourth question, see? The fruit seller said, these mangoes are ripe and juicy. These mangoes are ripe and juicy. Here also you have two parts, reporting part and the reported part. Okay, reporting verb is in the past tense, and in the reported part you got what here? Are is in the simple present tense. Now how you are going to change it? See, the fruit seller, you join the reporting part and the reported part with the conjunction that, okay. Fruit seller said that, you join the reporting part and the reported part with the conjunction that. These changes to those. I told when I explained you about the change in the time and the place. These changes to those mangoes are changes to were, because it is in the simple present tense and the reporting verb is in the simple past tense. So you'll get here were ripe and juicy. Now let us discuss the last question of this exercise, okay. Shall I rub it? Hope you all have understood. Is it clear for you? See, fifth one. Max said, I found the job difficult. Difficult. Now how you are going to change it? Again here you got two parts, reporting part and the reported part. Reporting verb is in the past tense and reported verb is also in the past tense. So if the reporting verb is in the past tense and the reported verb is in the past tense, you will get past perfect tense when you change into indirect speech. See now, you join the reporting part and the reported part with the conjunction that. So Mac said that. I changes according to the subject of the reporting part. So you'll get here he found. Found is simple past tense. It changes to past perfect tense. Had found the job difficult. Had found the job difficult. Okay. Hope you all have understood how to change the sentences from the direct speech to indirect speech. Okay students, in the next video, I'll explain you how to change the interrogative sentences from the direct speech to indirect speech. In the next video, I'll explain you how to change the interrogative sentences from the direct speech to indirect speech. Okay, let us meet in the next class. Thank you very much.